Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error here in your OBS Studio. As you can see, it says starting the output fail. Please check the logs for details, right? And you can see the note that it's saying that if I'm currently using the NVENC or AMD encoder, make sure to update my drivers, right? So how do you fix this? If you keep getting this each time you do a quick record or every time you try to record in OBS Studio, the simple trick to fix this is to click on settings on the lower right hand side, and once you're inside the settings you want to click on output on the left hand side. Now at the top you will see that your output mode is set to simple. Just click on that and select advanced. Once you do that, click on apply and OK, and that should fix the issue for you to solve that error. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. If you find value here and if this solves your problem, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one.